Hello guys, good morning. So today I'm going to talk about the Lisbon travel card, and if you have your own car then it's fine, but if you don't have car and you are here to travel for a long term or maybe for a short term, then it will be expensive to travel in Lisbon. But no worry, there is two kind of travel card here in Lisbon. One is occasional travel and second one is for the frequent travel. So if you are going to office daily, then you can go for the frequent travel of course. But if you are here and for 2-3 days or maybe for 1 month, then I don't think frequent travel is matter. You can go for the occasional travel card.
Okay, so this is the occasional travel card. So you can go to any of the nearest metro station and get this card from machine.
So basically, if you go without this travel card to the bus, you will pay €2 per person, but with this card you will pay around €1.65. Okay, so the next part is how to apply for the frequent travel card, and this card looks like this. Nice card. Okay, and for this I will tell you some of the steps that you have to follow, and you can get card easily. Okay, so here is two things that you need to know. First, you can get your card in 1 day, which means you need to apply today and you can get your card tomorrow with the same metro station. And the second thing is that you can get your card in 15 days. There is one benefit: if you have time, go for the second option. Why I am saying this? Because you can apply for the card at many of the frequent metro station. Yes, but for urgent passes, it's available on 2 places. I already mentioned in the description. Go and check, and you can go there. Try to go as early as possible because there is a lot of good line. So better to go early, and then you can finish your work and come back. And at the same station you can collect your card. Process is pretty much easy. If you go to any of the metro station, you will get the form like this. Okay, and here is some detail you need to fill. Your passport number, I can see the NIF number, and your name, Gmail ID, and your address, and whatever identity you want to provide. So you can provide the passport, you can provide the residency card, whatever you have to mention here, and the same thing you need to show on the counter. So after this you can go to the counter and submit this form, and yes, here you need to give your passport size photo as well.
And here is the form which I was talking about. You need to collect one form from here, and you can fill it there. And here you need to submit your document. The bottom part of the form she given me as a receipt where the card collection location and the date is mentioned. So you just need to check that, and after 10 working days you can go there. It can be a same metro station, don't forget. There is one more small information.
You always recharge your card after 26th of the month. So right now it's a Feb, so I can recharge today, 27. I can recharge this card, so it will be valid from 1st of March. So basically, if you know the process, it's really easy to do all this stuff. But if you don't know, lot of struggle is here. And trust me, once you will get your card, your life will be easy.
The cost of the card is €40 with lot of benefit. You can go to the tram, metro, and train, and there is one more option. And after this,
fly in the Lisbon. So thank you so much for watching me. I will share the link below in the description from where you can find more information about the metro stations, and for 1 day card where you need to go for which metro station. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you have any question, anything, please write in the comment. I know I definitely try to reply you back. Thank you so much. Bye bye.